Yagni benta jonga kubor la one raspi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Kameglaya Public Accounts Committee kalai thu pada kajingpan slam ban ay ka fund utilization certificate dakatana agriculture but horticulture kala pelong ba kajala Meglaya kan do no hadu khandai klur tingka ka Public Account Committee ka balai kran yakani kamat hene ka si kalai tere unaitung kala pen pawi kajing sokhia halor kajingwam phai ka fund utilization dakatana agriculture but horticulture bala pelai dak sarkar pedeng but kala batharu yakani katana bagari ban shimkhia ba ha ka beide ba kajing pelai yak scheme Uba Charles Pingrop Ulaythu baga 13th Finance Commission kala minjur ka song pisa ka balong live pra klurting ka na kabanta ka jala Meglaya kabala pelaj house nam arajar hinyo Uba Charles Ulaythu rubana ka ni ka live pra klurting ka kharkhandai klur la aisha katana agriculture hindai ka jingpan slaman phai ka UC la ni ka utilization certificate ka sarkar pedeng kamshim la pelaj chu ekani ka pisa barkumta ka sarkar jala kla do nong ei kharkhandai klurting ka nalor ba ka jala Meglaya ka de ka jala ka ba im na ki kam thong kam tep
in the manner in which the funds were utilized and the overall functioning of the department needed to be improved tremendously, because considering that Meghalaya is basically an agrarian state with about 80% of its total population living in rural areas, the impetus to make it self-sufficient in agricultural products needs to be given a fillip by the department by having clear-cut policies in how we should educate, train, and equip our farmers and entrepreneurs in this field. So it was found that the department was lacking in this respect. So that is one aspect. Then regarding the fiscal management also, you see, we had informed the department that their fiscal management was very poor. In the sense that at the end of the financial year, they were repatriating funds back to the government, which means they didn't have a proper chart or a course to ensure that the funds given to them were dispersed immediately to the farmers. Now, agriculture is not like any other department. You have multiple cropping systems. You have some crops which need a certain time of the year to be planted. So if the inputs, like seeds and other inputs, agricultural inputs required, doesn't reach them in time, then your output of production of agricultural products will decrease. In fact, in the last 2 years, it has shown a slow decline in the total output. So we spoke of that in length also, and requested the department to kindly be more vigilant on this, so that the farmers don't suffer, and they're given their dues, in the sense that they're given whatever is required by the different schemes of the government, so that we have a steady growth in the agricultural production of the state.
And therefore, the amount of 38 crores, out of the amount of 38 crores, 19 crores was released to the state. Now, out of this 19 crores, the total expenditure incurred by the Department of Horticulture was only 7.36 crores, from what we could see. The balance amount is still there for them to utilize. But the problem with the utilization of this is that the central government has stopped to release the balance 19 crores for the fact that the horticulture department has failed to submit its utilization certificate. Because the horticulture department delayed in submitting the UC to the central government, now it cost the state 19 crores. Meaning, out of 38 crores, now the state got only 19 crores. So it is a sad state of affairs that this department has not followed up with the balance amount. And when we cross-checked the work, we found that they have not conducted baseline survey, nor have they obtained certifications from the National Horticulture Board. There were a lot of lapses for which I think the state as a whole has been deprived of such a wonderful scheme from the 13th Finance Commission.